What's happening, traders? First trading day of 2026. Of course, it's going to be Asia session. We're crazy. Y'all can probably see I have more accounts than normal. The Apex accounts. There's a history between me and Apex. And one day I'll talk about it. It's just superstition. I had to guess. That's all it is. Yes. But I do have a funded take profit trader, 150K, take profit eval into Tradeify eval. Never done Tradeify before, so see how this goes. We are gonna see how this goes. The arsonist had oddly shaped feet, but we really get a setup. Goes. That's pretty dead. It's pretty dead. I need my sound right. There it goes. I can hear myself now. Well, I can hear the computer. All right, where we at? Oh, MES doesn't have anything. Q's nowhere near anything. Gold is running. Of course it is. Oh man. What are we thinking about gold? For some garbage. Oh, garbage. Gold. That's not it. $30-minute time frame, 4-hour chart. Gold. Definitely. Dollar down, gold up. Gold up, dollar down. What are these guys doing? So they don't crunch down. Put on 3-minute. Legit. So they are. Right? Yeah. Wait. Is that MES? Or is it yes? Yeah, I'm not going crazy, so there's that. This is previous week. Oh. Not losing. Hey. I want to go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Current week. But, oh wait. One. For the stream. Very good. Pre overnight. Value low. That is point of control. My bad. My bad on that. Low and high. 934. Really? Ah, you dick. Oh my god. Point of control. Uh-oh. I did this backwards. Safe. I have these grouped. They are global. Oh, not global. 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 This should look different now. Yes. All right, we're gonna do MNQ real fast. Sorry, guys. Sorry. You already. This is easy. You know what? Let's grab that one. Everybody had a wonderful New Year's Eve. Mine was fantastic. Hung out with my wonderful wife and our neighbors. And I am struggling finding 1600. Low. Packing right there. All right. This now should I need to change. Do I have a current on here? Do not. They don't run a current, but more confluence, right? All right, now there we go. We just missed a trade on ES. I was talking. Look at that. Damn it. Damn it. Different on MES. So This should be right. 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 I don't know what the heck this line is. Seriously. Happening. Previous week value low. Okay. I'll eventually get around to make this the continual for these, but I won't make y'all sit through that. Everything's green. Look, I put silver in here just for fun. Why, you ask? Oh, look at this. Not the chart I wanted to. Here, look at this one. Crazy. What was up 21? Bouncing off the VWAP was up for that one time. That would have been the time I took a trade. Set an alert when it drops back down. I don't think I have current up for this. I don't. Hold on, right? Yeah, this current. I'm on the 15-minute time frame, but look at this. Was this Monday? Oh, Sunday night. Man, if somebody caught that short, good lord. It has been sideways. I don't know how bad it lags the chart. I don't want to take chances. No chances. Okay, we're good. Hey, babe. Lay it down. Okay. I said okay. I said okay. No, you can turn it. I'm just streaming. I heard her better, and I had headphones on. No problem. Huh? I love you, baby. Sorry, I was streaming. We'll leave it in there. Leave it in there. Show her. We'll show her. Tuck this in. Hilarious. Would have been bad. Fake. No, it's not. Sideways now, though. But, yeah, 12 minutes. Still. The Asia. But no, let's keep the balance. Oh. Mm-hmm. Our next big news day. Ninth. Next Friday. CPI is 13th. 3 days later. I'm gonna scroll all the way back to see levels like that. You can see that it could just consolidate like that. Or Or could head to this. Decision. Don't really have a play unless we got lucky and played it off the VWAP. Ran. Kind of like Forest. Forrest Gump. Yes, it's true. Drop down. We did this. We have to make VWAP plays. Um, it's gonna be very sized down. Hi. Well, it's gonna be a play tonight. And we both know, both. We all know how great I am at it. Technically, it's getting. I feel like we've missed a move on this one for sure. I don't know where a move would have been. Maybe this bounce posted the previous day. Yeah, this. I don't like that there. Actually, would have been a really good one. I did it right before. All right, is what it is. We're not chasing it though. Headache. Holy. The VWAP bounce. Oh, 3 point? Yeah, 3 point. I did 2 contracts though. It'd be what am I looking for? Momentum building before the Asian session opens. 2 minutes. My wife watching my stream. Kind of feels like she's watching my stream. Um, anything up there holding it? I want to scale in. Okay, clearly that's not my target. But get 16 points, 8 p.m. But we would only scale in 2 contracts at a time. 8 o'clock. Where's it headed? Get a slight pullback. Add to it. We're gonna add 3, so keep it to 5. When I do add, if I add, go south at any second. Talk about those New Year resolutions. Me too. A bit at 50. 0, 75. Can grab it at that. And we got, oh. Mm, 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 mm. We bet on Ole Miss tonight. Those that are interested, public was insanely on Georgia. I went contrarian and took Ole Miss in the points. Curious. The spread move? Oh no. Oh, it did. No, wait. No way that spread moved. Sure as heck did. It's at 5.5. I got it for 6.5. Good sign. Real good sign. What are we shooting for monetarily? What? Good money wise. Let's see. Ratify accounts cannot go over 900 because I have to keep them at 40%. Big profit eval can't get more than 1400. And the pro can get as much as I want. Over here. Oh no. Big dump off. Oh, right. I forgot it dumped. I think it's going back up to. Well, it's a discount right now, obviously, from yesterday or Tuesday. I think I'm going to add more to it. Suck at scaling in. I don't know the right way to do it. But I'm going to do it. For a full. We're going to leave it at that. We will take partial at 1375. 50. That doesn't have music for us, didn't it? My bad. Just not a lot over there. Go back to the 15. I mean, look, we don't really won't start seeing a weekly. Yeah. See, even earlier this week, all the way back. In good, good. This is good. Look what we did. We went in here technically off the VWAP. Killed it. It's not bad. Not bad. We're 2 points. In 4 counts. It's always a good sign. But we're moving. We're moving, boys and girls. Goes way up there. 90s. What is that? 50? 13? All right. See? Those it in the print chart. Doing pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, the Delta looks great. Don't wick me. John Wick me. Did. And this current. Yeah. Don't have to turn on. Still did not get me. All right, so that one's messed up. Nailed it. Right, so they're both approaching the initial balance or bottom. I don't like all the sell orders that just came in. See, I added 10 to it. Definitely scaled in. Especially when I saw the sell orders absorbed. Technically 2 micros in a 50K account though, so very, very careful. That was the move. Feels like it was the move. We're gonna find out together. Dom isn't as crazy. I can read it fairly at a fairly good pace. Hovering right now. Trying to break through some orders. Trying to break through some orders. Down 1050. Or we want to get above. That happens. I think we're in good shape. Figure what I'm about absorption. See that all those yeah. Look at all those sell orders right here. They didn't even move it a little bit. You'd think. I could be wrong. We'll see. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. Not financially. Easier to read. I can go down. That's fine. I just wanted to come back up and make new highs. Dropping back down to here would be a disaster. I wouldn't let it get that far. I just got super sleepy. The New Year rally, of course it's going to go up, right? That's the thing. Oh, I don't like that. Why would you do that? Something not right. Well, we are in the red. Kind of busts the theory I had. Well, I prefer to scale out of positions. Yeah. Oh, keep it on. So if I take 5 more right now, this down here. Basically playing somewhat of a VWAP bump. A little premature for my life. I mean, get it. Hilarious. Uh, this works. I look like a genius. If it doesn't, well, I look like a genius on the next one. I do want to scale out some of these. So what was it, 1350? Yeah. I'll go do 7.5. The other one was that. Let's get these two. Then we'll let it run. And if I can't, it's got terrible fills. Terrible. I think they can't. They can only have like 4 or 40 minis, micros. Wait, minis. Wait, no, micros. Yes, 40 micros, 4 minis. I think it'd be kind of crazy to trade 4 minis. Say that, and we're almost at 3, 2.5. I'm not looking for a massive move either. Right now we're getting what, 125 a point. And the ATR is at 1. Clearly, it's at 1. Last bar was 3/4 of a point. So it's not like it happens. I think we'll have time to get out of it, unless Trump tweets something. Forget about it. A bump though. I saw some more come through. It's short lived. Short lived. 0975. Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's a hurdle. Where are we at? 0825. 0975. When I said earlier, it was 10. 910 even. Hurdle was 911 is the highest. So the buy orders just came in. They're gonna push us up. Little, did a little. The 10. Oh, 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 there's a lot of sell orders right there. Oh, there's a lot. Uh-oh. Also some aggressive buy orders coming in. Oh, wait. Womp womp. The 30-minute candle. Oh, yeah. Boom. This 4-hour candle, there's an hour left, hour and a half. You can take this whole body back. Clearly went down, filled that gap. Oh. It put us bullish. The ICT folks. Killed it. Congratulations. Did it. So we played a a VWAP. That's one more time. Played a VWAP bounce. Just scaled in on a little pullback. Scaled in on another pullback. I scaled in because I saw absorption. Added to it on another VWAP bounce. And we are not adding any more to it. In fact, I hope we're getting ready to take 5 off. I mean, we're right there at the top. Chilling. Oh, there we went. Went to 1125 and drop back down. Not enough to grab my order. Well, the ask went to 11. Extra price did. There it is. Job. Not a bad little hey, let's do this, and we did it. See if we can continue this Little run, 1350. 1350 is what we're after. So kick strike is saying it's aggressive. If it's buyers, it looks like it's buyers. Delta looks good. Oh, I'm gonna Apollo 13. Trim looks good. Houston, we're good. So we're not. We're print 5-minute candle. Pretty substantial. 24% delta. Oh yeah. Up to at least that one. 1550? Is that what I said? Yeah. And I bet London will explode tonight. I will not be up for it, but I bet it does. Does this mean gold's tanking right now? I'm not too bad. They're pretty much consolidating. I don't pull it back down. There it goes. I feel like a point and a half away to that doesn't seem like a lot. But for yes it is. And also this is the value area. Um, Wednesday. Oh, this might be it right here. Seller on the dom. The dom. Don't want to get book map. I haven't pulled the trigger on it. I'll wait till 9 o'clock and do this. I mean, I'll just cancel. I know there's this whole stigma about it. Don't don't get out of trades early, but yeah, I'm not playing by those rules. I think it's stupid, honestly. But you know, what you lose. I know people say you lose your edge. You cancel a trade early. You know what else you lose? You lose your damn account. What I know. Why I know. Go flat. Flat. I don't want us to go into that. Go flat might be support. I said then it went straight up. Flat should put $1 billion in my bank account. Didn't work. Still a point away. Oh, point and a quarter. Oh no. Point and a quarter. Go. 13. Do it. Let's do it. Time is it? 41? Okay. Alright. Oh, it's trying. There's so many buyers in it. Oh, there's so many sellers too. It's a battle. Battle, boys and girls. I think the buyers are winning though. The buyers are gonna pull it off. Gonna hit 13. Everything just froze there for a minute. There it is. I did get it to 13. And then said, "Ooh, tired." Now they're holding their. Remember, we said 12 flat was support. Let's see what happens. 12.25. I don't think it gets a 12 flat. If it gets under 12, might have a call to make. Depending on what I see. Of course. Come right back in every time. Time it goes to it, they come right back in. Up 25, starting to gain the same level 12 flat is. Good sign. Short right now. Not a good sign. Mm-mm. We'll see what happens with this next 15-minute candle prints in 45 seconds. About 50, 25. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. To the normal green. Oh no. Oh no. The delta didn't budge, so there it goes. There it goes. False alarm. Hopefully. Oh, there's a new candle though. Uh-oh. 25, 50. Yeah. No. Oh god, 12. Falls under 12. Oh man, it did went, yeah, aggressive selling. Called for. Sellers are trying. Oh, they're gonna be pissed because I don't think they're gonna get it. I don't think they're gonna get it. Just on this candle rollover, let's see what happens. I could be wrong. I just gotta be so disheartening. Especially if you're like a Dom trader and you see all these orders. And I don't want to have level 2. I'm just seeing basically just what's been hit. Can't see into the future like a book map or something. See you're using that to trade and you just slam and sell, 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 sell. And it's not budging. Talk about messing with your psyche. $25 and 20 and 12 flat. 12, 25, and 12 flat have built up a pretty solid support line. All the way to 50 actually too. 1250. And the delta is just, it's nothing about it says sellers sellers are gonna win at the moment. We all know that can change at any given second. Any second that can change. Are we at 13 to go? Yeah, we are. Higher high. Hey, nice. How close was that to our? Oh, we didn't make it 25. And it technically was not a higher high. The exact same. Oh, God. Mm, 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 mm. Hover around this 50 mark. Been here. Minutes. Oh, big strike coming in. There's a lot of sellers at 13 flat. Oh, slowly chipping away at them. Oh, we are. Oh, the buyers are. We. There we go. Get that. That could be a bounce back, though. Be careful. Or not. Sellers are seriously stepping in now. Uh, 15. We're back in value from the previous day. Well, on a 15-minute, on a 1 minute, not actually. I think I won't play this. This shelf, so it could go either way. It could drop. See what 9 o'clock does. We'll put back to break even. Oh no. Well, I'm just gonna leave where it's at. If this builds up to a high volume node, we'll move. We could probably bring it up. So if something does happen, we're not insanely destroyed. Bracket 1250, 1225, and 12 flat again. We bounce off of it again. For reference. Flat. We see any momentum headed down for this and closing it out. Roll over the next 5 minutes. Oh, what I wanted to see. Was a lot that came into. I was close it. Not gonna lie. The ask is still at 12 flat. So it looks like it. And here. Really good not to act on impulse. Was this the smartest thing to do? Only hindsight will tell us that, but normally, before I knew anything about trading, I would have just reversed. Reversed right there, and now I'd be crying, getting crushed. Yeah, 9 o'clock is gonna be interesting. 50 is the strongest one right now. Or 1250, sorry. 69, 1250. Choo. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, boys and girls. Uh-huh. Ole Miss is only down by a point. Be a great start to the new year. What we need. What everybody needs. I wish that. I pray that for every one of y'all watching right now. Oh, buyers coming in. Buyers are coming in. 69.20 is at my stop or my take profit. No way he goes to. All right. Imagine Okay, let's look at it like this. If it gets up and can bounce like a normal on the playbook, I could see it happening. But my question to you all would be, would I add to it at that point? I mean, yeah, I think I would if that happens. We've got 20 seconds to see what happens. I think 9 o'clock is going to tell the whole story. Story we want to hear, or the story we don't want to hear. Either way, we're going to, or it may stay quiet. Probably going to stay. All right, let's see. See. I think buyers decided to come in. Sellers. That tug of war match. Have a little bit more aggressive buyers right now, though. 1350 is still being held pretty strong, but they're beating it down. That was just he's horrific. They're coming back though. Maybe not. 1350 is a problem child at the moment. Uh-oh. Problem child just got slapped in the face. He got Will Smith. I think if we do scale in or add to it, we want to just see it do a couple of these come back down. Not one of these. I think be the smart way to do it. We'll see though. My idea. A ton buyer stepping into. What's the delta looks great. Oh, it looks so good. I think we can. Yeah, 14 flat now is a lot of activity. A lot of activity on that level. 1350 is our value. Yeah. I don't want, like, if it was to come back down now, I wouldn't scale in or add to. Right term. Scale in or add to. Does it matter? We both know, we all know what I'm talking about. It doesn't come back to it. Not going. We're not going total degen. Flat. There's a there's a lot of sellers. Yeah, there's a lot of buyers underneath it too. We're gonna get a new 5-minute candle though. That's the stage. See, to me, this is one trade. But when I look at it, or I pull it up and Trade Evade or whatever, it just looks like I would just pound in trades because all these contracts. But to me, this is one trade. The reason why I say that, so I see these people talking about if you make all these trades, your chances are terrible. They're talking about like 5 trades max, 4, 3, something like that. And I'm looking at mine sheet, and it's got like 70 trades in it because it's counting each contract. I don't know. Like I said, but the rule. My my favorite people on the planet didn't give a crap about rules. He created a small little fruit company. Gosh, we're not. Crazy. Literally 4.25 away from just a random take profit off the real pair just so I had room to move stuff. Those Tradify accounts will stop at 900 though. I have them set up for that. Yeah, so they should stop for if it goes to that. Yeah. But the reason why I played that scenario in my head was my funded profit trader account I can let that sucker ride if I want to. Because it's only what The 4,500. Yeah. So 1,600 away from its the what's the word I'm looking for? Buffer. Being within its buffer. A pretty good Asian session, though. I mean, a lot of people say Asia is not a great session to trade in. I mean, granted, we've been in this trade for uh, 3 minutes for 8 o'clock, so an hour. Going to sell one here. See why I order out. Okay, so the reason for that was I've had a terrible time holding on to stuff too long where I would just sold out. Because if it does come back down now, I would buy back. So I probably should have just sold another 5 lot. Keep it at 10. And fall back. Only 2 points. So 5's fine. What do we get? Oh, that weird 1 minute after 5 minutes. I was tempted to go back in right there, but I'm gonna wait. I just want to see what it does. Keep an eye on the delta. The delta's not really giving me a sign for any direction at the moment. That 30-minute candles look great. I don't remember what I put. Has to be for our initial balance low from Tuesday. Right, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Wait, no, Wednesday. Wednesday. This is our current week value low, right? here? Oh, because I'm on a, never mind, on a higher time frame. I don't think that's right. The whole month? My bad. Still not in for last week or current week. Sorry. Swear to God, I need to go to bed. Yes, current week. With that on. Oh, I need you. Yes. What's happening? Here, tick strike going crazy. So buyers are in. We had some guy go aggressive sell 2 contracts. What he thought he was going to do? Must have went short earlier. Oh, my shiitake. 43 minutes left. We may catch this candle up. That gap being filled. Fine. I mean, we definitely gapped up and created another one, but nobody's paying. Nobody's. Not the gap you're looking. Wait, am I in 15 contracts? How do I have 3 separate? Oh, because we did a 3 and a 2. What if I move? I'm gonna lose my mind. I mean, could we shoot for 22, just the previous day POC? I don't see why we shouldn't now. 22 even? No. We're going to do 22 even, though. Definitely know at 10, 4 hour, that 4 hour candle changes. Previous session, we're not even still in discount. we're in the, I mean, that's 4, 7, yeah, 7 full 30-minute candles in a row. If it looked like more like this, I'd feel better. Nothing but a 30-minute candle so far this session. I'm gonna not buy back in because those 2 off or those 5 off. I mean, we'll just be donating commission at this point. We're stuck at 15 flat. No, 15, 50, 75. I am getting sleepy. New Year's, stayed up extremely late, got up extremely early, and I'm not a drinker. On New Year's, I think it's mandatory. So, where I'm at. Uh, the old me would be trying right now to find where this is going to reverse. I'd be placing shorts. Learn a lot from those mistakes. Definitely learn a lot. No sense it looks like. According to previous day, to be 2025 will be the first test. Oh wait, no, not. I didn't mean to do. Oh man, yeah, I told you I didn't sleep. Wanted to put that. Hey babe, are you going downstairs? Will you preheat the oven? Yeah. Oops. Red bear and frozen pea. My name all over it. I mean, for real, I literally wrote my name all over it. Put it in the fridge. Yeah, so right now it says I've made 11 trades tonight. I still feel like I'm in one trade. The water's. What we're gonna do? I want to put this the reason for that. Don't switch charts, which is okay. I was talking about these. I feel like the next one, because I don't know, call it. I've seen it a lot. I don't know. We'll go up, come down, but we keep going higher. If this one gets us now, that's a win. I can just go to bed. But we'll see. We got 1 minute. On a sell. 2 seconds. You're right. 30 minutes. Or it may go down and come up, but I'd be surprised if this candle's not red. What sucks, as you can see, gap down. Quarter of a point. Rocking and a rolling. Rock and roll. Believe we 18.5, 17.50. Problem. If you could just hold it above for just a second, it would get to 18.25. Ow. Man, the New York Open's going to be interesting. Very interesting. Depending on what London does. I mean, I wasn't expecting to make close to $1,000. I really wasn't, especially coming off a holiday. I can catch the right setup in the morning. My funded account's gonna look really good. I won't even be able to trade the others. That we're getting ready to get our profit hit. Oh, a little tickle. Seriously, what? No. Yeah, we were. One tick away. One tick away. 6-inch ribbon squirrel. Let's trade recap this before it hits profit. Went on VWAP, bounce, scaled in, scaled in, scaled in again on a absorption. Fall back in on another VWAP. We sold just to cover some case. Same thing. Didn't mean to do it. No, wait. Meant to do it. Didn't mean to do it. Yeah, we did this one just in case it did bounce back down. Very low. Did not mean to do this, but we're getting ready to hit our profit. Oh, imp sellers. Oh, that was. Then profit was really originally up here, but 9:38, and it would probably take to midnight to get up there. Nah, I am perfectly happy with what we've done so far. I could honestly just cut it now, but a lot of green on this time of sales. Only a half a point away. I really don't see nothing in. Nailed it. I could just say it. That's wrap. The wrap for the Asians first Asian session of 2026, and we made. I'm not adding it up. Y'all can. Y'all can add that up. 756-756-837-791. I'll take it. All right. We're calling it. Happy New Year to everybody. Have a wonderful first day back to normal if you have to work tomorrow like me. If not, enjoy your day off and your weekend. And I will be back Sunday night. I'm going to trade some in the morning, but it's just going to be the funded account. And that's Yeah, certified accounts couldn't even get but 100 more. There's just trading them. I may trade the take profit eval, get it to 1400, but it only needs 800 more to be funded, but it still would need to be traded a couple more days. So there's no sense in really hurrying that one. So, yeah. Happy New Year. You guys rocked. And that. Peace out.